welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time. I turned 7, the pandemic happened, or? COVID happened. And I've been going into a new school. It's called I've been doing drama class, and we did like performances, and today we'll be making a snowflake like this. So make sure you hit that bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So hello guys, we're going to be doing a miniature, I can't say it, so we're going to be doing a miniature snowflake. It's so funny. And the first step is you got to get a piece of paper and you fold it diagonal. No, not diagonal. Just like that. And then you're gonna get 2 pieces. Next step, you get that piece and you fold it diagonal, and then you cut off this piece right here. When you cut it off, and then you'll get this. When you're done with that, it should be a triangle. Then you fold it. When you're done, you cut it, but I'm gonna be making one, but you need 8 for this one. So you cut it like I was saying, and you'll get this, like a little thing. And then what you do, you open it. How do I open this? Okay, you open it, and then what you do, you flatten it, and then you get 1 piece, and then another piece, and then you need a piece of tape, and that's too big. That's too big. That's too big. And then you put a piece of tape like right there. Oh. I mean, it's supposed to connect like that. You can't really see it, but it's supposed to connect for both of them. Next step, so it's like this, you turn it around, you get the next piece, and then you lay it next to each other, into each other, and you get a piece of tape like the first one. You put it on there, and then you keep repeating the steps. And you keep and keep and keep. And then, for this one, you keep trying to run away from me. And then for this one, you do the same thing, but you flip over the side. And then we're almost done with this little snowflake, but we're going to be making a big one. Like, they're all going to be together. But I'm just showing you one. So you do that, like we've been doing. And don't worry if this side's too big and this side's too small. So that's 1 snowflake, and that's how you do it. Now it's your turn to make 7 more. Next step is to put them all together, and then you'll have this little piece right here, and you staple that little piece, and then staple this piece, and then you can put a fishing line right here so it can stay up. And for the big ones, you want to staple all of these. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel today, and make sure you hit that bell and you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye!